Hi, welcome to Hard Reason Info channel. The viewers in front of me, HamaBlade 3, and now I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So, as you can see, if you will swipe from up to down using 3 fingers, you can't take a screenshot of this device, so we need to use normal methods to take a screenshot, and one of these methods is to press and hold together power button and volume down button. In this way, so you need to press and hold for about 1 second, 1 or 2, power button and volume down. Press and hold, and screenshot will be successfully taken. As you can see here in the control panel, we have no screenshot feature, so we can take a screenshot using the button on the control panel. We can take a screenshot using the power button and volume down and volume up button, but we can take a screenshot pressing and holding the power button only, and here we can click screenshot button. So there are 2 ways to take a screenshot: power and volume up, power and volume down, and press and hold power and click screenshot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.